Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. Today I'm sitting in a 2016 Dodge Charger, and in this video I will show you all the fuses and relays to check in case your AC air conditioner is not working. This video will apply to 7th generation of Dodge Chargers made from 2011 all the way up to 2021. So all the fuses and relays will be located in a fuse box under the front hood. It's located right here. To remove the cover, you'll have two clips, one on this side, one on this side. You want to press them at the same time and leave the cover straight up. On the back side of the cover, you'll also have a small fuse diagram. First fuse to check would be fuse number 12, which is a 10 amp fuse responsible for the power to the AC clutch, and it's located right here. Second fuse to check would be fuse number 39, which is a fuse responsible for the power to AC clutch relay, and it's the one right here. So the first one from the right side, 10 amp fuse. And the last thing to check would be the relay number 43, which is the one right here, and this is the AC clutch relay. So what you can try doing, you can try switching it for any of the other ones and see if that makes a difference. But those are the two fuses and the relay you want to check. Okay, thank you for watching my video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.